Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Doom, The Dark Ages, Revelations, Microsoft Visual, C++, runtime error. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a new Chrome tab and type in Visual C++. Now you want to click the first link, which is latest supported Visual. Now scroll down till you find latest version, and you want to first download the x64. And once you download it, click to open it and simply install it. I already have it installed for you. You simply click install and it will install it. After you're done with that, you want to do the same with the x86. So you download it and then you open it and then install it. And after you're done installing it, you want to exit out of this. Now what you want to do is don't restart your PC just yet. You want to go here, open your NVIDIA or AMD app. Now go to drivers. Make sure that you download the latest and greatest AMD or NVIDIA game ready drivers. Also, while you're in here, you want to disable in the system, you want to disable the G-Sync if you have it on. And you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on. After that, all of that, you can exit out of this. Also, what you can do is go to settings, go to Windows Update, and make sure that you download the latest Windows Update, which will fix any other issues that you might have or experience. And after you're on all of that, you want to restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and then the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Doom, The Dark Ages, Revelations, Microsoft Visual, C++, runtime error. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.